Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, this is Shelby at Smoky Mountain Traders. Today we're going to be looking at this 1966 Chevrolet Corvette. If you have any questions at the end of this video, make sure to email us or call us at any time. Come on up and let's take a look. You'll notice that the bumper has been replaced and that it has a gorgeous finish. The hidden headlights on the 66 are working, and down the side it's arrow straight. As we make our way around the driver's side, we can see that everything lines up perfectly and that the stainless is beautiful. Come on up and let's check out the inside. The white leather seats are a classy touch and a beautiful complement to the rally red exterior. It's set up with the white face autometer gauges, and it's had a new carpet kit installed, and every piece of stainless is showroom condition. The two-tone red and the white color combination is one of my favorites for a Corvette, and this one is absolutely beautiful. Now that we checked out that stunning interior, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. And as we make our way around the back, you'll notice that the rear bumpers have also been replaced, and you can see that the stainless is stunning and that the tail light and reverse light lenses were replaced. It's easily one of the most gorgeous Corvettes that I've ever seen. As we come around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can check out the stance on this beautiful Corvette. The rally red is set off by the custom 18 and 19-inch billet specialty wheels and the red line tires. I love the looks that you get with the side pipes on a C2 Corvette, and this one doesn't disappoint. The rally red has been meticulously polished to this gorgeous shine that you see here, and is sure to steal the show anywhere you go. Now that we've been around the outside of this beauty, come on up and let's check out the heartbeat of the Chevrolet. This is what I absolutely love the most about this Corvette. It's set up with the LS6 Corvette Z06 engine. It's got a stunning appearance with a polished intake along with a polished alternator and AC compressor. More than just looks, it's even more fun on the highway. It has plenty of power, but is also set up with the power rack and the pinion steering for easy handling. It also has four-wheel power disc brakes that have been upgraded to an SSBC system. When you look under it, you'll be equally as impressed, as the frame is all solid and the floors look amazing. The LS6 engine is mated to the Tremec 5-speed, and you can see that all the suspension has been upgraded as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and checking out this beautiful Chevrolet with me. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions about this beauty, give us a call or email us at any time.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.